guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I decided to create this look right here. For today's video, I know I had to use colors because I was looking through my pictures and I barely even saw any colors shade makeup looks. So I was like, for today's video, I know I need to use colors and I know I need to use yellow. Because I really wanted to use a yellow. But I started looking through my drawers and I didn't see any colors. The only color palette that I have is the electric palette. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. And it looks like this. But tell me guys, do you guys see a yellow here? No, you guys do not. No, this is not a yellow. This is more like a greenish, yellowish. But it's not the yellow that I'm looking for. So I was like, wait, but I remember my sister giving me these shades, these color shades. I'm sure there has to be a yellow in there. So I went to grab them. They look just like this. And there was a yellow. Yes. So there was a yellow on top and I was like, I need to use that yellow. I really love this. I really love how pigmented they are. They're like powdery shades. So you have to be really careful when using them, you know? So yeah guys, I'm also really excited to film because I finally found a new spot to film. I got a new desk like 3 days ago where I can just like put my makeup and just keep them in one spot. Like before, when I used to film, I used to like find a spot around the house and sit down, and I had to like carry my makeup from one spot to another spot, and then when I was done filming, I had to carry all my makeup back to its spot where it belonged, and I was just really tired of doing that. I just wanted to have my makeup in one spot and not have it moving around the house, you know? So yeah guys, I'm finally excited for that. Oh, and I'm sorry for the lighting. My daughter ended up breaking the light that I usually use when I film, and so yeah, I need to go and buy a new light bulb. So right now I'm in front of a door and I have it open, so I'm sorry if the lighting sucks. I tried my best. So yeah guys, if you guys are interested in how I got this look, then just keep on watching. But before we get started guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to think about subscribing down below, share it around, do what you gotta do to help me out. So as you guys can see, I already did one eye. I do not have my foundation on because I am going to have a lot of fallout and I just didn't want to ruin my foundation. So I'm going to do my foundation at last. So I'm first going to start off with my concealer. I have like so many different colors right here. The one that I used for my eyelid was these two. Wait, was it these two? Yeah, it was these two. So I'm going to be using these two right here. But yeah. So what are you guys going to do for the 4th of July? I want to know. I'm going to go and see fireworks. I might take Amy to go and see fireworks. If you guys don't know who Amy is my daughter. I'm going to be using some tape. I'm going to be using a fluffy blending brush. And I'm going to be using my Urban Decay electric palette. I have not used this palette in such a long time. I thought it would be a great oportunidad to take it out and play with it. I'm going to start off with Slow Burn, this orange shade right here. And I'm just going to apply this a little bit above my crease. But anyways, yeah. You definitely want to take your time when doing this. I'm gonna go in with Savage, this pink shade, and also apply that on top of my previous shade. I'm gonna be using my Naked Urban Decay palette, and I'm just gonna take the shade Black, which is Creep, and I'm just gonna focus this in the outer corner and a little bit in my crease. So in my crease, in my outer corner. And you definitely want to make sure that you create that wing. So you just want to like brush towards the tape. You want to make sure you're gentle with it. Like, I feel like it's blurring out when I'm doing this. And I don't want it to blur out. I want it to be focusing on me. So let's see if that's better. Hopefully it's not blurring out. But anyways, just like that. Now I'm going to take another fluffy brush and I'm going to be applying Gelted, this like purplish shade right here. And apply this on top of the black shade that I applied. So you just want to blend out the black with this shade gently. Like, I did not have yellow. I did not have a yellow shade. Like, I barely even have any color shades. Because in my head, I'm like, when the hell am I going to use this color or this shade out in public? I think I'm going to start doing it, though. Now I'm going to take like a flat, tiny brush. And I'm going to grab this concealer right here, this color. And I'm just going to cut the crease. Cut the crease. I'm going to cut crease. Why do I feel like I work today? I don't. I'm going to start off by going slow. You want to be really careful. You want to be really, really careful that you do not mess up, because then you'll get really mad if you mess up. So, like I said, you want to look down, not up, because if you look up, look what the hell will happen. You see, like, no. So anyways, when you get in your crease, that's when you want to slow down, make sure that the line is straight. And I'm gonna, like, I don't know if you guys can see, like right here, I did like a little wing on the top, and then I started going inner and inner and inner. That was hard. I don't know if you guys saw what I did. I hope you guys saw what I did. I'm just gonna get my sponge and tap on the concealer so it can, like, you know, set perfectly fine. Now I'm gonna take my Carly's palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to apply this on top of my concealer. This is what I'm going to be using, this yellow from this thingamabobby. This actually has a lot of fallout, and you want to be really careful when applying this. So for this, I'm going to be using a flat brush, and I'm just going to like press on it. I'm not going to slide back and forth because that's how fallout occurs. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead. And like when you barely even tap, like a lot of product comes out. You see, like I'm not even kidding. So I have to go like this. Okay, so moving on to my foundation. I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetic liquid foundation, and I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Paris, and I'm going to mix them together because like I said, this one's too light on me. And yeah, I'm going to mix them together, and anyways, you want to make sure that you go all the way to your neck because you don't want to make it seem like your freaking face is a different color than your neck. You want it to be even, you know, you want it to look the same. I'm going to be using this contour kit that I have. Well, I don't know what you want to call it. I know se ve como bien chapita, pero you know what? I actually like it. I always used my mom's foundation. I didn't care if she was lighter on me. I wanted to use makeup, you know? Oh, wow, that's a lot. So, I will get in my mom's drawer and put on her makeup. And I remember I would apply her foundation and I would not apply it to my neck. Like, I don't care. Like, my foundation would stop to here. And then from down here, you can, like, definitely tell the difference. And I remember everyone telling me about it and was like, oh my gosh, you literally need to fix your foundation. It does not look good on you. I'm going to be using Gold Deposit bronzer, and I'm going to blend everything out with this. And so I'm going to be using my Modern Mandarin blush. It's from MAC and it looks just like that. And yeah, I'm going to be applying this on my cheekbones. So I'm going to be taking these two shades from my electric palette that I use from, you know, and I'm going to be applying this on my lower lash line. I'm going to be going back to my Naked Urban Decay palette, and I'm going to take the black, and I'm going to be focusing this black closer to my lash line, you know. So you want to be really careful and make sure that you apply it close to your lash line. So you can literally like go back and forth on top of your lash. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to highlight, and there's a palette that I've been so obsessed with. I got this from BH Cosmetic, these Black Light Highlight 6 color palette, and when I first saw this online, I was like, there's no way this can possibly work. I mean, it's super affordable, you know, and I was like, there's no way it can be like so good. But I was like, let me look at the reviews and see what people say. And I saw a lot of reviews that said, it's so good, I love this, it's the best decision I've ever made, and blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah. And I was like, oh my gosh, I need to try it. So I got it. And you guys won't believe what I saw. I want to try this one, Illusion. Ay, 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 güey. No te vayas a quedar ciega. Órales. Like, you see, like, it's so pigmented. And I'm also going to apply a little bit on top of my forehead, like on the... And yeah, and I'm just going to apply this on my Cupid's bow. And a little bit on top of my nose. I am going to be using falsies, just so I am. And yeah, I'm going to be using my Peach toppy lipstick. It looks just like this. So like I was saying, I am going to be using falsies. And let me tell you that I suck. Oh, I'm also going to be using... It actually does not say the name, but I'm going to be using my Maybelline New York lip gloss. It's just this natural color. I love using this. Okay, so moving on to my lashes. Please do not laugh. Me presta la caca, amiga. So that's that, and yeah, I'll be back, guys, for the finished results. So yeah, guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure to think about subscribing down below, giving this video a thumbs up, sharing it around with your friends, with your family, with whoever you need to share this video with. Do what you gotta do to help me out. Thank you. Until next time, guys.